Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3 16 sum. Let's see the question. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to a students of a school for the overall academic performance. So, sum of rupees 700. So, they have given sum to be rupees 700. So, SN is given as rupees 700. And the number of cash prize, that is N, is 7. If each prize is 20 less than the preceding prize, so from one prize the next prize will be 20 less, the other prize will be 20 less than this second prize, the fourth prize will be 20 less than the third prize. That means they have given common difference D, which is minus 20, because it is less, so we need to take this to be minus 20. Here people go wrong, it is not just a 20, it is minus 20. Find the value of each price. So they have given SN, we know the formula of SN, directly we can substitute the formula, SN formula. SN equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we don't know last number, so we can't take the other formula, we need to take this formula. Here we need to find A. Only then if we find A, we can find the rest of the amount. So yes, and instead of SN we have 700. So 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2A we don't know, N we know, that is 7. So 7 minus 1 will become 6 into minus 20. Bring 7 by 2 to this side, it comes as a reciprocal. Numerator will go to the denominator, denominator will come to the numerator. So 700 into 2 by 7 is equal to 2A. Here plus into minus will become minus. 6 2s are 12. This is 100. So 200 is equal to 2A minus 120. Bring this 120 to this side. 200 plus 120 equal to 2A. This becomes 320. Yeah, I am bringing 2 to the side. It comes as a divide because it is in multiply with A. So 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 0. A is equal to 160. So they have asked for the price. A will be 160. Ask for the 7 price. So A will be 160. The first price will be 160. The second prices will be less than 20. So it will be 140, then 120, then 100. Now 80, 60. One more price, that is 40. Are the 7 cash price. So these are the 7 cash prices. We have found A, that is the first number. We are just subtracting every number, every preceding with a 20, because they have given that rupees 20 is less than the preceding price. So just subtracting 20 with the front one. That's all with the sum. Thank you.